If your Opera browser is acting slow, glitchy, or just not working the way it should, resetting it to the default settings can be one of the fastest ways to fix the problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset Opera browser to default, step by step, so you can restore the browser settings without getting lost in menus. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Opera browser and look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the Easy Setup icon, which looks like 3 horizontal sliders. Click on that icon to open the Quick Settings panel. This is where Opera keeps some of its most useful shortcuts and browser controls. Once the panel opens, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You'll want to find the option that says Go to Full Browser Settings. Click that to open Opera's full settings page. Now that you're in the full browser settings, look for the Reset Settings section. This section is designed to help you restore Opera when things get messy, whether it's strange extensions, change preferences, or performance issues. In that section, click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Opera will then show a warning pop-up, letting you know what will happen if you continue. This is your chance to double check that you really want to reset the browser. If you're ready to proceed, click Reset on the pop-up warning window. Opera will now restore the browser to its default state. That means settings like your startup page, search engine preferences, and other customized options will go back to the original defaults. Keep in mind, this is a settings reset, so it's a great troubleshooting step when you want a clean, fresh start without reinstalling the browser. Once the reset is complete, you can start setting Opera back up the way you like it, with your preferred homepage, extensions, and bookmarks if needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to reset Opera browser to default in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.